In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Notion AI and Google Gemini. If you've been searching for a way to turn your creative skills into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time business, this is the perfect opportunity to explore. We'll dive into selling Notion templates, which can be a fantastic income stream with the right approach. Let's start with the types of templates you can create. When designing your Notion templates, think about common use cases. Budget planners, for instance, are always in demand as people constantly look for efficient ways to manage their finances. Consider creating visually appealing and easy-to-use planners that help individuals track expenses, set savings goals, and optimize spending. Next up, habit trackers. With the ever-growing emphasis on personal development, habit trackers are a hit. They allow people to monitor daily activities, set goals, and reflect on their progress. Try incorporating motivational quotes or reward systems to keep users engaged and motivated. For those involved in project management, templates that streamline this process can be incredibly useful. Create project management systems featuring task lists, timelines, and collaboration features. Such templates can appeal to both individual freelancers and larger teams looking for efficient ways to organize their projects. Another niche to consider is CRM dashboards. Small businesses and freelancers need effective customer relationship management tools. By selling CRM templates, you're offering them a solution that's not only customizable, but also more budget-friendly than many commercial options. Student planners are a classic choice. Design templates that help students keep track of assignments, exams, and study schedules. Incorporate features that cater to different learning styles, such as visual aids or time planning techniques, to make your templates versatile. Content calendars are key for anyone involved in content creation, whether they're bloggers, social media managers, or corporate marketers. Your templates could include sections for idea brainstorming, scheduling, and analytics tracking, offering a comprehensive toolkit for organizing content strategy. Lastly, think about business operating systems. Many startups and small businesses need a go-to resource for managing everyday operations. Craft templates that include sections for team collaboration, performance tracking, and workflow automation, providing them with a one-stop solution to streamline their processes. Now, once you have your templates ready to go, it's time to sell them. There are a few routes you can take. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are great places to start, especially if you're building your reputation as a creator. They provide a built-in audience and easy-to-use interfaces for listing your products. Additionally, Notion marketplaces have a captive audience specifically looking for Notion-based solutions. Finally, don't underestimate the power of your own website. This allows for direct customer engagement, and you can leverage social media and email marketing to drive traffic to your site. By understanding these use cases and the best platforms for sales, you're well-positioned to turn your Notion templates into a successful business venture. Whether you're doing it part-time or going all in, follow these steps. Stay creative, and your templates could provide significant value to users while generating ongoing revenue for you. Let's get started.